Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use boundary boss in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin. Now this line horizontal. Now give the dimension from Smart Dimension. This line dimension 100 and this line dimension 60. Now go to again draw the line vertical line from origin. Now give the dimension this line below 30. Now go to select spline. Now draw here. Select. Now select this line and select handle horizontal. Now select here, just move this line handle vertical. Okay, just move from this point, just move. Okay, now give the dimension, this handle dimension 60. Now this point and this line dimension 50. 50. Now this point and this line distance 45 and this handle distance 50. Okay. Now select here this handle horizontal. Just move here horizontal. Okay. Now go to exit tools. Now select right plane, feature and reference geometry plane. Now give the value to plane defined 100. Okay. Now select here this plane and sketch. Just select this sketch, select chain and convert entities. Okay. Now go to here exit. I have no need this plane, just hidden. Now go to boundary boss. Just select this sketch and this sketch. You just move here. Okay. Make our job. Now go to isometric view. Now select here top plane and sketch. Now draw the hair line, center line make, construction line. Now draw the circle from mid center line. Now give the below circle 50. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude cut. I am going to extrude cut from surface face. Just select here. Now give the value 20. Okay. Now select here fillet. 10. Okay. Now select hair fillet 10. We are just learn how to use boundary boss base and fillet. Now go to again this is select fillet. Now select hair. Select all his. Okay. Now select hair fillet 10. Okay, make a job. Now go to select shaded. Now you can color hair as you wish. Color. Now go to isometric view. Just color hair. You can use hair different color. Okay. Now select hair. Okay. Now go to isometric view. You can use color hair. Okay. Now hair color use different type. Okay. Make our job. Now go to here, select plain white. Go to isometric view. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box. Now you can select here define color. No need beautiful job. Now check. Now go to again here isometric view. Okay.